Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, YouTube? How you doing today, guys? Good morning. Good morning, investors, young investors. How you doing, my friends? This is my channel, new channel. My name is Mijares Ventura. You can call me Mick. I'm over here trying to look at Bank of America's numbers. I don't know if you guys saw, but there's earnings coming up. We have some earnings, guys. How you doing? You guys are doing amazing. Just looking at my channel for a second, making sure everything is working. Yeah, how you doing, guys? So the reason that we're looking at Bank of America today is because there's earnings coming up. Yeah, there's earnings. Bank of America's earnings are coming up today. Schwab's earnings are coming up today. Let's see. There should be some others. Let me see. Monday we have Bank of America, Schwab. Tuesday, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a big fan of Bank of America. Bank of America is one of like the best, most stable financial banks out there. Let's look at the numbers. Well, the stock is positive today, so hopefully the whole market stays green today. We are tired of seeing so much blood on the streets, guys. It's been horrendous out here on this market. We can say, let's see how far we can go. Well, it's up at for the past 3 months. It's up. For the year, it's down. It's a juicy buy right now. That's all I can say. I feel like it's a great buy. It's almost like double. We could say 28%, maybe like plus the 2%, the 4-5%, like 33%. That's a lot, guys. For the 5 years, it's up 25%. So it's buying at a discount right now, guys. We have a beautiful discount on Bank of America. It's one of my favorite companies. I think I own like 1 or 2 shares on my Webull account. I'll be showing you that in a second. But let's look at the numbers, though. This is Bank of America. Let's look at Bank of America. Oh, Bank of America has 280,000 employees. It was founded over 100 years ago. Bank of America is going nowhere, guys. This is one of the best companies. 52-week highs. It was at $50.11. So we're talking about like a 40%, 30% discount right now. 52-week low, 29.31. So you're not really buying it, overpriced or anything like that. $2-3 more bucks. That's nothing. That's how you average cost down. And at $30 is amazing, because imagine if it goes to $100 in the next 5 years. That's a 2-3x. So I love that, though. I love that so much. That is amazing, though. Let's see. What is the dividend? Wow, look at that dividend yield, 2.68. The P ratio. Oh, whoa. This P ratio is looking a little bit weird. But the market cap, $255 billion. It's a strong company. Hopefully the earnings are good this week. Well, today, let's look at them if they miss anything before previous earning calls. Guys, you can't really judge too much a company because of missing the earning calls, especially when we are on a bear market. We know that two consecutive reports two consecutive negative reports means that we're on a bear market, guys. Let's look. Let me see. What's the other one that has the earnings today? Charles Schwab's. Charles Schwab's, of course. Charles Schwab's. You guys know Charles Schwab's. One of the biggest banking company, retirement company that there is. They do a lot of investments. So Charles Schwab is a corporate savings loan holding company which engages to provision of wealth of magnet security brokerage, banking, assets management, custody, and financial advisory services. Operates through the investor services and advisory services segments. So they're with the investments. Roth IRA, 401k. See the 5-year. They are 57%. At some point, they were up 116%, man. Wow. What a great stock. 33,400 employees. That is amazing, guys. Dividend yield, it's a little bit weak. I wish they pay a little bit more, but it's alright. The P ratio is not that bad. I don't know what happened with Bank of America P ratios. It's a little bit low. This one is almost right, maybe a little bit more down, but this is Charles Schwab. This is a big company. It's been around for a long time too. It has proved that it can, test and hold through time, tough times. But let's go through some news, see what's going on in the markets today. Let me see. Goldman shakes up leadership ranks in yet another overhaul. Goldman Sachs. Ukraine double-digit inflation seen lasting through 2020. Yeah, with the war and what's going on out there, the markets are not able to really show us 100% accurate numbers, because we have the war that is affecting all markets more than anything. It's affecting food over there, especially in Europe. It's affecting more than anything the oil, cost of living. It's also affecting not having, pesticide and stuff like that to replant our crops. And now we have Ukraine with the issue of the bombs. Let me see. I think I saw something around there. I know Ukraine with the bonds are dragging the market down last week. For what it says now, is that they're up. They're controlling everything. Everything is being under control out there. I hope so, because I don't know how much more money can we be giving to all these countries to help them support. But let's see what they're saying about Berkshire Hathaway. Guess Berkshire Hathaway is nearly after topping Meta, Nvidia this year. Okay, all this trying to say is that the firm quality-driven growth where competition brings out the best. What we're saying is that, Berkshire Hathaway has less volatility than Nvidia, Tesla. That's what they're saying. Berkshire Hathaway has less volatility. It's a very strong company, very well managed. Yeah, but Nvidia and Meta, they're good companies. Nvidia is doing alright. Nvidia don't really need any overhaul or anything. The one that is not struggling, but it definitely needs a new vision is Meta. I love Meta. It's a great company. It's good to buy right now. Let me see. So juicy prices right now for Meta. This is not financial advice, guys. Definitely not financial advice. This is just me and my own opinion. Just talking on this YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, guys. You're welcome to come. I'm gonna do this market lives every morning, at least brief market lives every morning, and then in the afternoon I'm gonna do a whole recap of the whole day and what happened. If I did invest anything or I did not, I'm just starting a brand new Robinhood because I want to start my journey again, but I want to start my journey on YouTube. So I want to see how long it takes me to save $5,000 on my Robinhood account. Right now I only have like $105. We're gonna do a YouTube challenge that within a year or in a year's time we have to have at least save $5,000 in our Robinhood account. I don't care how you do it, just try to deposit money every week, every 2 weeks, $100 to $200. Do your side hustles, do your due diligence with the stocks. If you don't want to go risky, just go into ETFs funds and stuff like I am doing. Of course, I'm taking some risky stocks, some growth stocks like Google, Amazon. I definitely want some Meta, especially now. Let me see. Oh my God, Meta platform. Meta's looking good, guys. Look at this from the year. So these numbers that we seeing over here, this company just need a little restructure and it will go right back up. So we're talking about double, almost triple the this is 2-3x easy in a couple of years. I saw that they did drop the new headphones. I don't really know how to pronounce it. They extra expensive, guys. I love Meta. I love the company. I love the concept of the metaverse, but that is a little too pricey for regular people like me and you guys. We don't have $1,200, $1,500 just to blow, just to be in the metaverse. Well, let me see. I have. I own a little Palantir. I own 1 share of Intel and 1 share of Bank of America over here, guys. Like I say, I like Bank of America. I like Intel. I know you guys want to probably hear why I like Palantir. That's gonna be for another video, though. Just doing just doing a little research over here, guys. Tuesday we have Goldman Sachs, Netflix, United, Lockheed Martin. Let's see. On Wednesday we have Tesla. Ooh, juicy, man. Tesla is a little bit down. Let's look at Tesla, man. I know a lot of people are talking trash about Tesla. Tesla is a great company. I love Tesla. I don't own Tesla, but now that Tesla split, it's at a good price to buy. I'll buy Tesla now. $800 is too much for me. I don't have that kind of money, guys. It will take me a month or two just to buy 1 share. At this price, in 2 weeks, I could buy a share. 1 share every 2 weeks or 1 share a month. And then use the rest of the money to buy other shares. This is what I will do in this case. Let me see. Tesla in the 1 week is down 6.92%, and the month is 31.8%. Jesus, drop a little bit down. The 3 months 13%, and the 1 year 24%. It's not really a lot. Excuse me, guys. It's not down so much. The S&P 500 is down like 22-23%. So It's almost in par with it. In the 5 years, the company's up 784%. At its peak, it was up 1700%. In April 2022, after the new administration took over, it still was at 1400. So we're talking about 7x right now, guys. 6x on this company. 6x. Tesla is looking amazing right now. Next time I make a purchase, I'm gonna show you guys how to buy on Robinhood, and I'm gonna buy some Tesla. I'm not gonna be able to buy the full share, but I'll buy some Tesla. That's my promise. You know, I would love to see Tesla one day pay a dividend. I know. The company grows a lot. You shouldn't even be asking for a dividend. But if Tesla had a dividend, it will bring, I feel like, so much more investors, like long-term investors, you know. So people is going to want the dividend, long-term growth. I feel like that will bring more investors, guys. But that's just my opinion. Like I say, this is not financial advice. Just going through the stocks, guys. Let me see what's the other one we were looking at. Netflix, right? Let's look at Netflix. Oh my God. Netflix is positive. The earnings are on Wednesday. I think so. Let's see. The year for the year, Netflix is down 52%. No. Oh my God. It's like 70%, 80%. Netflix is a good company, guys. They have a great streaming platform. They do have a lot of options, a lot of stuff you can watch, different prices for you to have your subscription. The market cap of Netflix, it lost a lot of market cap. I think it was like over $200 billion. In the past year, I think it lost a lot of money. P ratio is not that bad on the 20. It's supposed to be between the 18, 19, but 20 is alright. This is a company probably that invests a lot of their money to grow the company. That's how they make their money. They have to invest to make money. This is a good company. Let me see the NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ numbers are coming out this week too, so definitely got to look at it. Oh my God! At the peak, it was at $70.94. That's a 2x from 5 years ago. Let's see, on November 24, 2017, it was at $25. Of course, now it went down. It's at 54, so you're only up 120%, but that's still great. It was at 182% at some point. Let me see, 186 the highest. Pretty good. NASDAQ is a good ETF to own, guys. I love NASDAQ. They pay dividend. They market cap. They don't have that many employees. And it says NASDAQ is a holding company which engages in trading, clearance, exchange technologies, regulatory security, listing information, public and private companies. Looks like they miss what we're waiting to see. This is the expectations of the earnings. Let's see if we miss or we didn't miss the earnings. But you see, guys, I used to own some NASDAQ. But well, guys, this wraps up my stock and market pre-market review. Like and subscribe. Come to this channel for financial information, wealth nest. Peace and have a good day, guys. Future looks bright, guys. The future looks bright.